thing is, I feel the glute, even the
Mm-hmm.
hip flexors, a little bit of the ab even,
Mm-hmm.
and it's getting so fatigued. I cannot hold the position.
Yeah, concentrate. We had 20 seconds. You can do this. Try to draw the figure 8, parallel to the ground. And rest.
Oh my God. My ass is burning, man.
Ass is burning. Good.
Yes. Burning a
Excellent.
lot.
Very good.
Yes. My glute. Yes, it was burning way hard. It fatigued, like, yeah.
Excellent. Okay,
It's
very
way too
good.
hard.
Yeah, this is getting started. I'm gonna send you the work for this week. We're doing good. So lay low on the bags for now, and we're gonna get better. I think probably about week 5 we can start doing it again. Okay.
Yes.
Any questions?
No, man. This was like a hard session.
Yeah.
Way fucking hard. That thingy, the single hyper hop. I get like really fatiguing. I've been training for a lot of years, man. This is like
It's different.
It seems it seems very easy, but thank you, man. So should I do this? I'm burning. Should I do this on Monday again, or should I do this Tuesday to leave Saturday, Sunday, and like 3 days in the middle, 4 days in the middle?
I'll write in the email.
Okay.
Yeah, expect my email
Okay.
with the instructions.